Well, for the first few weeks, the pedestrian footbridge will be still in use whilst they finish the pavements on both sides, and then over the next few months until September, the 6,500 tonnes of stone and hardcore have been put here to make a safe working platform for the cranes and for the bridge to be flood resilient and to be a stable platform for the biggest crane in Britain to come in to do the lift. And all of this has got to be removed, and people are aghast when they say that, but it's a site of special scientific interest, it's a special area of conservation, and it's in flood zone 2, and for all of those reasons it will be restored to a beautiful beach as it was in the past. So the canoeists from Outward Bound and paddle boarders can park up here and it's a lovely place to feed the ducks, and for when the water's warm for swimming in, because hundreds of people use that at a time in the summer. So it will be restored, but not this summer. It'll be 2021 before it will be usable again.